Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Question 4 is funny. Okay, you can use question 3 figures, the same figure we discussed before to explain. Okay, it's about the movement of glucose molecule down a concentration gradient across the cell surface membrane. It means that this bilayer. So look at here, one of them must be wrong. Okay, which one? Down a concentration gradient is just a diffusion, right? So no active transport is needed. Okay, and some are very strange too. Can you find it? Figure it? Yes, A and D are strange, right? Diffuses through the layer, dissolve in the layer. Very strange. I never heard of it, but glucose dissolve, diffuse through the layer. So the cell membrane they can pass through it. Oh, I think they're too big. Why glucose? Okay, glucose can't do it. So what's the answer? Yes, they go through the channel, and the channel go through with water, so it's hydrophilic. Why they can go through it? Because they are polar molecules. So they can go through it with the water, and then they can pass through the cell membrane through this channel. So the answer is C. You see, after practicing 1 or 2 and 3 questions for this year, we get used to it. Always need to think, and we are awesome, and we can do it. Okay, see you for the next question.